Hello, thank you for joining me. I am in glorious Switzerland. Ah, perfect timing. The bells here are beautiful. The cows wear bells as well, and it's quite something. We'll see if maybe they'll just go for a moment. And close your eyes down. We'll just breathe with the sound. Slowing down the breath. Steady and sturdy inhales and exhalations. Roll the shoulders back slightly and pull the heart center forward. Sitting a bit taller. Bring the hands to heart center. If you'd like to set an intention here, now's a good time. One more round of breath. We'll begin to move with the Swiss bells. Inhale, lift the arms up, gaze up. And exhale, right hand down, reach over with the left. And we're just gonna move with breath. I'll quit talking. Inhale will lift you up, and exhale brings you towards the left. So move with your own breath now. Open the heart towards the sky as you lean. And then we'll kind of swoop in front. So this is what this looks like. We'll move on an exhale. So an exhale, come forward. Inhale, open, switching it up. Exhale, curl down and forward. Inhale, open. Twice more each side. And slowly coming up, hands to the knees, spiral the spine. Can be small or big. And go the other direction. And bring the hands behind you. Plant the soles of the feet down, windshield wiper the legs side to side. And then soles of the feet on the ground, bend the elbows, roll the shoulders back, heart center forward, press down, feet and hands to lift up. Maybe the head goes back, maybe not. And release down, cross the ankles, tabletop position. Cat, cow, or move like you in any way. Maybe bringing the knees wide and the hands wide and making big circles. And we'll meet in child's pose. Well, that was special. Child's pose. Tuck the chin to the chest and round the back as you come forward. Then soften the elbows, arch the back, and push into the hands to send the hips to the heels. So I'll move like this a few times. Chin to chest, round forward. Bend the elbows, push yourself back. So move with resistance here, 3 more times. Move as slowly or as quickly as you'd like. And once more, coming all the way up. Tuck the toes, hips up and back, downward facing dog. Keep the hands wide, keep the feet wide and the knees bent. Sway the hips side to side. And then walk the feet up a little bit more. So you're in a really short downward dog. Knees are really bent. The right hand's gonna go to the left ankle. Gazing underneath the left armpit, and let's switch sides. Walk the feet up to the outsides of the hands. Malasana Squat, you can keep the hips high or low. And we're just giving a quick once over to the body, saying hello to everything. Been doing a lot of walking and hiking and exploring, so really needing to just say hello in the body. So on an exhale, we're going to press down into the feet into a forward fold. On an inhale, you can bring the hands in front. We're gonna send the hips back, heart forward. So you can choose how low the hips go. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, deep squat. Exhale, forward fold. And this time we're gonna stand all the way up. So press down through the feet. Maybe a little bit of shake. And slowly come all the way to stand. Arms go up. And exhale, hands to heart center. And let's do a few sun salutations here. They're a really nice way to move throughout the body. And they really bring the breath in. And we'll just think about just adding movement to the breath, decorating the breath. Hands to heart center. So we'll do a classical version. So it'll be a right side and a left side. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, soft bend in the knees as you pour forward. The same exhale, step back with the right foot. The back knee plants. Inhale, lift the arms up. And exhale, plant the hands, downward facing dog. Inhale, wave forward. And exhale, come all the way down to the ground or knees, chest, chin. So your option. Untuck the toes. Inhale, high, low cobra or upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, the right leg lifts. We'll do this variation. And exhale, step in between the hands, bring the back knee down. Inhale, lift the arms up, open the heart. And exhale, plant the hands. Left foot meets the right, forward fold. Slight bend in the knees. Press down to lift up, inhale. And exhale all the way back down. Step back with the left foot. Back knee plants. Inhale, open the heart. And exhale, plant the hands, downward facing dog. Inhale, wave forward plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga or knees, chest, chin, ashtangasana. Untuck the toes, high, low cobra, your choice. Drag the heart forward and exhale, downward facing dog. You can come through the knees. Inhale, the left leg lifts. Exhale, step through in between the thumbs, back knee plants. Inhale, heart opens. Exhale, hands plant, right foot meets the left. Soft bend in the knees, press down to lift up. And exhale, hands, heart center. We'll do 2 more rounds on each side. I'll talk a little bit less each time. Full round of breath in. Big breath out. Inhale, we move. Reach the arms up. Exhale, pour forward. Step back with the right foot. Back knee plants. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, down dog. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, find your way, touch the earth. Inhale, open your heart. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Step through in between the hands. Open the heart. Plant the hands, step forward, fold. Lift up. Pour forward. Left foot back. Back knee down, heart open, inhale. And exhale, plant the hands, down dog. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, touch the earth. Inhale, open the heart. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, step through. Inhale, open heart. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, hands, heart center. Oh, only cue breath now. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale all the way down, this time in silence. Left side. Use your own breath. You don't have to go at my pace. Meeting in Tadasana, mountain pose when you're complete. Really feeling the 4 corners of your mat, 4 corners of your feet. Heart broadens, palms facing forward, pressing down through the feet and lifting up through the crown of the head. Begin to separate the feet, turn the toes slightly out, hands to heart center. Let's lift up onto the toes just briefly. And then exhale, the heels drop, the hips begin to drop. Malasana Squat. And then reach the arms forward, forward, forward. We're gonna find our way down onto our booty. So maybe you just drop back, maybe you use your hands. Soles of the feet together. Hands to the ankles. Roll the shoulders back, heart opens, maybe gaze up. And then exhale, gently guide yourself forward. 3 deep rounds of breath here. Slowly coming up. Back to where we began. Take your hands to heart center. Notice if there's any space that you created or if the energy has dropped or lifted. Just a moment to check in. Yoga is so much more about getting into this shape or that, but just continually coming back and checking in with ourselves. The little movement, a little breath. It sounds simple, but it's quite potent to carve this space out for ourselves. So thank yourself for showing up for you. And thank you for letting me guide you on your practice. And let's bow forward and say namaste.